Welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you. I basically build out a VS Code and GitHub source code to image editor, where you can actually create screenshots of your source code directly inside the browser. It's a fully fledged editor in Next.js. If you want to purchase the full source code of this project, this is actually the directory structure. Each and every component is divided into its TypeScript file. It's fully customizable. You can add more features to this project as well. So we are running this project locally right here, as you can just see right here. Let me show you the demo right here. It's similar to VS Code and GitHub. So right here in the browser itself, you can actually create screenshots. So everything is customizable. So here you can paste your code right here. So as you paste the code here, it will automatically add the line numbers and syntax highlighting will be there. So here you can rename your file here, whatever file name. And then we have the option to export this to an image file. So once you click the export button, automatically it will be exported to an image file. So this is actually a fully fledged editor, as you can just see right here. If you want to share code snippets, then you can actually fully customizable all the background color. You can customize it using this color picker. You can see how easy it is. So here you can change the background here. Everything is customizable. If you want a transparent look, you can just do this. You can even provide a shadow as well. All these options are there. You can add a border effect as well. So here you can also change the radius, everything. You can make it rounded corners as well. If you don't want to show line number, you can toggle this setting off. So you can even change the font as well. All the major fonts, premium fonts are there. You can just change it with a single click. As you can see, you can even control the line height as well. So everything is customizable. You can even put a watermark. If you don't want the watermark, you can remove it. So automatically code is also formatted with a single click. So it's a single page application directly runs in the browser. If you need this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this application. So all the source code is will be automatically downloaded once you purchase it from Google Drive automatically. It's actually using the latest version of Next.js, as you can see. So it's fully customizable. If you need this, the link is given in the description. It's a simple VS Code and GitHub source code to image editor, where you can adjust your settings and then click the export button to simply export. So all the languages are also supported here. You can even change the theme as well, whatever theme that you want from here. So if you don't, if you can just see all the languages are also supported: Python, HTML, Pascal, TypeScript, everything. So here with a single click, you can change the language here. So the link is given, you can directly purchase it.